Hello, I'm Cecilia Louie of Paper Zen. Do you love to hand out lots of goodies in your party favors? I've designed a Halloween owl to do just that. It's a printable pattern that's easy to cut and assemble by hand, and best of all, you can customize whatever message you want on the back. To make this box, you'll also need a color printer, scissors or craft knife, scoring tool, a ruler, and glue. After buying my pattern, open it in Acrobat Reader and type in your custom message. Print it onto white cardstock. Next, score along all the dotted lines. I use a dried up pen for my scoring tool, and for all the straight edges, I use a ruler. For the curved areas, I just follow that dotted line freehand. Cut the 3 shapes out from the white background. Pre-fold along all the scored lines. So to put our box together, we're just going to apply glue on this small tab here. And then just bring these 2 edges together and let this corner and this corner come together. So then you can open up the flaps out of the way and just kind of, make sure that you press along that seam. And same with this area here, you can just kind of open it up and access it from the top as well. And we just want to make sure we press along that seam so that we get it glued exactly where we want. To close up the bottom, we just put down this flap, the 2 side flaps, and then this last one. And then to close up the top part here, we just put down this part with the half circle cut out of it, and then the other side. And then we've got the automatic ears of the owl. So to curl the wings, I just use a round pen to just kind of, it's almost like you're curling ribbon. You just draw it up in between the pen and your finger, and that'll just give it an automatic curl. And that'll just give your wings a little life. We just apply a little bit of glue just to the tip right there and set it right about here. And hold it in place, and when it's dry, you're ready to start filling it with treats. Happy Halloween, everyone! Thanks for hitting that like button, and I hope you subscribe for more paper goodies.